How to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap U icon to open settings in the bottom right corner. Tap Account. Then select Two-Step Verification and tap Turn On. Create a 6-digit PIN. Then enter it again to confirm. WhatsApp will then give you the option to add an email address for recovery. Enter your email address and tap Next. WhatsApp will send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email. Look for the verification code that WhatsApp sends and enter the verification code in WhatsApp. And tap Verify. Once you've added and verified your email, it can be used for account recovery and two-step verification. That's how you can enable two-step verification on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.